Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in ZTE Blade A73. So at the start, always check your DND mode. So open the top menu, expand icons, and now just look for the edit in this remote icon. If you don't see it here, click on the pen icon and check that you have this feature deactivated. It's obvious, I know, but sometimes you can just enable it when you misclick, forget about that, and just be sure that you have this feature deactivated. Okay, in the next step, hold the finger on the WhatsApp and go to the app info. Let's start from notifications. Of course, check that you have this feature activated. After that, go to the additional settings and check that you have turned on the high priority notifications here and here. In the next step, let's open the mobile data and Wi-Fi, turn on the unrestricted data usage and also the background data. If you still don't have your alerts, make the backup of your messages and go to the storage and cache. Try to clear the storage of the app and tap on delete. If you still don't getting your notifications alerts, let's open the settings, swipe down and choose the system and update. Select the reset options and choose network settings. Tap on reset settings and tap on this button again. After that, look for your WhatsApp notifications. And the last step, try to upgrade your system, so you have to open the system update, choose system update again, and allow a permission. If you have an update, just install it and check your WhatsApp again. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.